place will serve as your tomb.
Had good DPS all night, so very hopeful for this. Don't forget that if you have the macro to cancel out all your stam stuff, you use that in the last phase for 30%. Max, if you want to bring yours a little bit closer, Eleanor's already dead.
Sorry, Ellie, you should be able to see your number right now.
One of Cormac's ads is still alive. There we go, so it just went down. Good job.
Of course he is.
He's gonna be a little close, so fair warning.
Rise, minions! Devour!
It's on iPen. Good rocket boots. Come back towards.
It's on you. It's on you.
Yeah, you're already bopped. Nice.
Go in.
Nice job. It's on Palumi. Same as not running it through the raid. Everybody pay attention to where the spikes are so you can dodge some damage. Bot Palumi. Nice. Okay, go ahead and run in. Everybody back in positions. He will be emerging off of this one. It's on Little Nug. You're fine to just stand there, Nug. You can go back. He's gonna emerge. I understand. I gotta reposition him a little bit. Not frequent slash. Okay, there we go. Hero.
Shall overtake you.
And Freezing Slash just went out. Let's make sure we're cleaving down these ads. If you see yourself get penetrating cold, make sure you're using a Hellstone to help your healers out. Freezing Slash is off cooldown.
Another soul to sate the host.
Ads are down. Very good. Freezing Slash is still available. Let's take this fucking time with it. There it is. Go and let these burrow. We're at 8%. Let them burrow. Everybody just focus the boss. Everything you got on the boss. 4%. Freezing Slash just went out. 2%. 1%. Good fucking job.
Fuck that guy.
Oh, yeah.
Good
Yes,
fucking
verdict.
job.
Madness.
Fuck that guy.
Fuck that guy.
Oh my god, and double trinket run.
Damn.
Wow.
Seriously. Great fucking job. We've only been here for an hour.
All of us.
Ooh, nice.
Which one? Okay, Spirit Caster Cleat.
Is there a way to get out of here?
There is a
Oh,
Dalaran
shit.
port right next to him, but we're putting up wormholes to go to
No, like,
Storm Peak.
there isn't a way to get out of here to get fucking...
Oh, to go up?
Here.
No.
You can
Take the
wormhole
to
to Ice Crown.
Yeah, you can
yeah.
wormhole to Ice Crown and be able
Or
to
you
do
can leave raid. You can die and then leave raid. Yeah.
it. Somebody put a wormhole down, I would just use that.
Yeah, I'm just going to Ice Crown.
Good